Let's put together our Amazon circle ring. You're going to take 2 pieces and place the male end side of the female end. And you're going to slide it in and you're going to twist the bolt to tighten. It should look like this. Now you're going to grab another piece and continue with the same process of inserting and tying the bolt tight until you make a full circle. Now, it'll look like this. It may be easier for you to lay it on the floor because sometimes, because it's round, it can get warped like that. You're just going to unloosen that bolt and until it's flat to the floor and retighten. So this is another option. By sitting on the floor and inserting each of the metal rods into it, it'll kind of keep it a little bit more flat for you. And continue in this way until you get to the point where you're adding the feet. These are the same round arches, except they have some extensions on them. And this is for the feet part of your circle arch. Now that you've done it, you have a little gap. What do? Let's say this is not what you do. Don't try to do this. It's not going to work. It will not slide in like this. And don't try this. Standing up, it's not going to work. Don't do it. But this is what you should do. Get up against a wall and push your metal up against it so that it slides in firmly. Now it's good. Here's another way, another angle to show you what I mean. And then you just lock it into place with the bolt. Now we got one final piece to add, and that is the base structure. So it should be looking just like that. Here's the base, and it has 2 bolts as well. You are going to take this piece and slide it onto those little pegs that sit at the end of your circle ring. Once you've done that, you are going to screw your bolt very tightly to the end of it. And you're going to do that on both sides. Now look what you got. It is looking amazing. Now you're going to stand this bad boy up and you're going to adjust it a little bit because sometimes it warps anyways. But just make sure it's standing upright and you'll get gist.